if you're looking to generate website traffic from SEO for local SEO, you want to stick around to the end of this video as I walk you through my processes on how I've been able to get this starts working in 1 month, right? And what you should be considering. Okay, so this is the local SEO for an hotel, right? So this website was built by my company, ECR Technology Services, right? And I'm handling the SEO project. So this is a hotel. This is what the website looks like. Very, very unique, very, very responsive, and all the functionalities are working very, 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 very well. Right. So let's do the SEO. Right. So the first thing I did, I submitted my sitemap. This is very, very important. I submitted sitemap for January 1st. So we finished the development sometime around January. Then I had to begin the SEO process. So I submitted sitemap January 1st. Right, and last read was February 3rd. Okay, so currently we have 37 pages. So the rule of thumb for me for SEO is once I'm doing a project, I always want to, for the first 2 to 7 days, I do all the processes, I do all the keywords I intend to target. I have a list and all of them, right? I just put them on the website and do the optimization and leave it for straight 1 month. Right, to just get it sync and let Google see the kind of pages and the keywords in my website. Right now, if I start seeing good spikes, I know this keyword I'm actually targeting for is going to perform very, very well. But if I don't see the spikes and the results I'm looking for at the moment based on the keywords I'm trying to target, right, I will have to start up afresh and probably change a new keyword or look for other related keywords I can target. So this is what I decided to do as well. So if you see here, so we have this performance, what the performance looks like. We have like 300 website clicks, right? So over here, so if you see, I have like work now to do. So if you see here, my core web vital, I'm seeing some poor, right? You see my breadcrumbs, my enhanced, my rich data, I have invalid for my schema. For my FAQ schema, right? So I did FAQ schema, I did review SnipNet, like I did schema for review, schema for FAQ, and schema for the business, like the business type as a local business. So I'm going to show you. Okay, so for the pages, so this is very, very important. Now, indexing is like the second stage in your SEO. So if Google has crawled your website, that is one. But for your website to actually be visible on the search engine, it has to be indexed by Google, right? And over here, I'm seeing that most of my pages are not indexed. Right? So I might want to go and see what kind of pages are not indexed, right? So if you see here, we have gym is not indexed, suits is not indexed, general is not indexed, hotel is not indexed, travel is not indexed, rooms are not indexed, about us page is not indexed, the contact us page is not indexed, the FAQ is not indexed. So what I would want to do, I would want to start validating this and making this a priority and putting this as a priority validation, right? So here's an example. What I'm going to do, I'll just inspect this URL. All right, so after I inspect it, 2 things. So if you see your URL is not on Google, so 2 things I will do a test URL live. So I'll do a test URL live, right? After that, so if it comes back with a good result, then I'll now request for indexing. So I'll just have to do this for all 16 pages. Right, so if you see here, page can be indexed, breadcrumbs, 1 valid item detected, review snippet. I still have to work on this, right? That's the work, right? So I'll have to now request indexing. So when I do request indexing, it said indexing requested, URL was added to the priority call queue, right? So what this means is me telling Google that, this my page is live and is available and can be indexed. Please, can you just prioritize this for me, right? So that's what I'm going to do for all these pages. Okay, so the next thing is, so this is my enhancement. This is what it looks like. These are the rich data. And over here, this is what it looks like. These are the rich data I have. So it's more like, they call it schema. It's good for the search engine. So I'm just going to, this is what it looks like on This is what the crawlers will see. This is what the Google will see. So I'm going to use SEO. Show you what it looks like. So if you see here, over here, I still have work to do. My titles are not yet ready. My meta descriptions are not yet ready. So all this now are the SEO work now. I'll now start doing, because I know, okay, yeah, the processes I took, like from my foundation, is solid basic. So I'll now start doing the basic optimization. Most persons will want to do this first before doing this thing. But for me, I just want Google to first of all see all my pages and know they are in priority. So this is what the schema looks like, and this is what I'm pushing out to Google. Right, so it sees. Right, so you see, this is schema, this is for Google, so they get to understand what my website is all about, right? Like my website is a local business and all of those things, right? So the next thing I did is, I've talked about submitting sitemaps, I've talked about my schema, I've talked about the pages, and so this is the kind of keywords that are already coming out. So because for now I don't have lost blogs coming in, so if you see here, so these are branded keywords. These are branded keywords coming out. So this is the keywords that are already coming out already. And so I have my Google My Business, because it's local SEO. We have Google My Business already. So do this not now. So I just got this Google My Business verified like last week. No, I'm not supposed to go to my mail. I just got this Google Business profile activated sometime last week, right? So just X this out, not now. Right, so if you see, let's see what the customer interaction looks like. And what you want to do, I've started updating so if you see, I've started updating the Google My Business, so I've updated it, right? So what I would want to do next is, so I want to have an idea of the kind of statistics that this particular profile, what result this particular my Google My Business profile is bringing to my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a UTM. I'm going to track this, right? This link. I'm going to add it to my Google My Business. So I'm going to do a video on that and how I'm going to do it, right? So this is what the Google My Business interaction looks like. Right, so if you see here, so you see the spike. So if you see December, sometime December 0. So this is where the spikes are coming, sometime around January, and we are going, right? So it's less than 1 month. It says seven calls made, and direction requests, website clicked 5, booking click 0. So yeah, the optimization has started, right? And basically, so we have reviews, unread reviews. So currently I'm the one managing the Google My Business. So if you see here, I had to do this. So this is what I'm basically going to be doing, and this is the kind of work you're going to be doing if you're going to be doing local SEO, right? And I hope this video is clear, and this is the processes. These are my processes so far, and this is how we do local SEO. See you in the next one, and I'm very, very sure this has been helpful for you. And I mean, local SEO optimization is like very, very important. And if you're looking to learn search engine optimization, if you're looking to learn digital marketing, you could send me a DM, or you check my company's website, ECR Technology Service, or our IG ECR Technology Service, and definitely we're going to reach out to you. All right, see you. Cheers. No, cheers.